Welcome to ThingWorx 10.1, Getting Started. This video will cover what ThingWorx is and why the industry uses it. Brought to you by SwapNoPopHat. Why learn ThingWorx? It's an industrial IoT platform purpose-built for industrial environments with robust connectivity. It enables rapid development using low-code tools and seamlessly integrates with PLM and ERP systems. ThingWorx is a high-demand skill in the industrial sectors. Modern manufacturing faces significant challenges, including massive data generation and data silos. This results in delayed insights and reactive decision-making instead of proactive optimization. ThingWorx is a comprehensive industrial IoT platform that bridges the gap between physical assets and digital insights. It features digital modeling using intelligent digital twins, dashboard creation, and seamless system integration. ThingWorx acts as the central intelligence layer, connecting operational technology with information technology. It takes data from devices and sensors, processes it on the platform, enables applications, and delivers insights to business users for informed decision-making. ThingWorx powers real-world use cases like production monitoring, asset health dashboards for predictive maintenance, incident management, and operator guidance through AR-powered work instructions. Organizations choose ThingWorx for key benefits, including accelerated time to value with pre-built components, unified data access, and a scalable, enterprise-grade architecture. It also offers flexible deployment options, like on-premises, cloud, or hybrid. The ThingWorx platform includes several core components: the foundation server, composer, mashup builder, connectivity tools, analytics engine, and a robust security framework. This series offers a structured learning path, starting with platform fundamentals and data modeling. We will cover service and UI development, device integration, and conclude with building a real end-to-end industrial monitoring application. Are you ready to get started? Subscribe to the channel for new tutorials, download the free ThingWorx trial for hands-on practice, and join the community. The next video covers installing ThingWorx 10.1 and setting up your development environment.